Ladies and gentlemen, today my video guide will help you in getting rid of the extension called MyJobSearch New Tab. Currently, this extension is promoted by means of the website MyJobSearchTab.com. It is extremely important for you to realize what exactly this extension does. Of course, the developers of this service claim that MyJobSearch New Tab extension will be able to help you find jobs and career advice on your Chrome New Tab. But the point is that this extension also works as a typical browser hijacker. It will change your default search engine to Bing or to Yahoo or some other search engine not requested by you initially. Therefore, if you ever see the offer to install this extension, think carefully. The point is that very often this extension is bundled with some free applications, so people often download and install it unintentionally. That's why I strongly advise that you don't install this extension, because a lot of extensions, as I said, may change your important browser settings. I've just installed it on purpose to show you what happens when you submit some search queries. As I told, and as you can clearly see, the results are delivered by Bing, so it's not your choice. You need to remove this extension from your Google Chrome. For this purpose, go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you'll find this extension you need to disable and then remove it completely. Also, I strongly advise that you scan your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner, the antivirus for your Mac that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download this software, install the application, and then start scanning your Mac computer with this program to get your Mac fully fixed and repaired. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.